I wrote JAMB 4 times before gaining admission to the university. I also wrote WAEC 4 times before gaining admission to the university. I was the head boy, the senior prefect of my secondary school, and I was the first senior prefect to fail WAEC in the history of my secondary school. So I've passed through the whole cycle of exam failure. So trust me when I say that the mistake 80% of candidates will make that are writing JAMB in the year 2026, the mistake 80% of candidates will make, trust me, I know what I'm talking about because I've also made those mistakes myself. Welcome to Success Online Class. I'm Mr. Success by name, and for the last 10 years, we've been coaching and preparing JAMB candidates. And so far, we've had excellent results, marvelous results. We've had students that have applied for a particular course and gotten that exact course. That's one challenge that most JAMB students face. They apply for one course and they are given another course. We don't do that here at Success Online Class. At Success Online Class, any course you chose and you applied for, we're going to coach and prepare you to get that course. So how can we coach and prepare you to get that course? First things first, you must avoid the mistake that 80% of candidates will make. What's the first mistake most candidates will make? Let's get started. The first mistakes most candidates will make is that they will start preparing for the JAMB 1 month to the exam. Yes. Many students are there. You're watching this video. You know you're writing JAMB next year, but you've not even opened any book till now. You're waiting till it's 1 month to go, 3 weeks to go. Then you start trying to cover 4 subjects in 1 month. The 4 subjects that most of the teachers from secondary school could not cover in 3 years. GDSS 1, GDSS 2, GDSS 3, and you agree with me that most of our teachers, even from my own secondary school back then, they were unable to fully cover the syllabus for chemistry, for physics, for English, for biology, for mathematics. They were unable to cover it. In 3 years of our senior secondary school, which is SS1, SS2, and SS3, they were not able to cover the syllabus. Now, you are planning to cover the syllabus in 1 month to JAMB. This is the reason for 80% failure in JAMB every year. Most students relax till it's 1 month to go. When the exam fever comes in, they start rushing. And by the time they are rushing, they are not able to understand or fully grasp the whole course and end up failing. That's the one mistake you should avoid. Preparing only 1 month to the exam is a very dangerous mistake. So the 1 month fever is the first mistake you should avoid. Avoid the 1 month fever. I call it the 1 month. I tell my students, they always laugh. I say the 1 month fever. Never join this group. If you want to become an high achiever in JAMB, you want to get your desired course. Our students don't join this 1 month fever. They start early preparation. Like we always say, powerful preparation prevents poor performance. So start preparing early and you see yourself doing very well. Number 2, I have just 3 mistakes. Number 2 mistake that most students make when preparing for JAMB. 80% will make this mistake. When they start reading that 1 month to the exam, they start reading without direction. They start reading like a scalar quantity instead of a vector quantity. We all know in physics, the scalar quantity is a quantity that has only magnitude but no direction, while a vector quantity is a quantity that has magnitude and direction. A high achieving student should be a vector quantity and not a scalar quantity. How can you be a vector quantity? A student that reads with direction. How can you read with direction? By taking note of the JAMB syllabus. Before you start reading anything in JAMB, ask yourself, where is the JAMB syllabus for this subject I'm about reading? Now, why is the JAMB syllabus very important? Because the JAMB syllabus is almost like a guide. The JAMB syllabus is the examiner's way of exposing you to the topics he plans to set in the exam. One thing I must tell you is that if you're preparing for a subject like physics or mathematics or chemistry or biology, just pick one subject you're preparing for. Before you start preparing, you must ask yourself, what are the possible topics that can come out in this subject? Are you aware that it's not all topics in a particular course that is in a JAMB syllabus? You can open a biology textbook, for example, and you see several topics, but it's not all those topics that are in the JAMB syllabus. You can open a chemistry textbook, for example, and you see several topics. When you go to the JAMB syllabus almost streamlines the topics to a particular focus, and that is what a smart student should be doing, reading with direction. Very, very important. And the last mistake that most 80% of students will make is that they read or they start preparing for the JAMB without a tutor or a JAMB expert. 90 to 95% of students that have smashed JAMB, with the exception of the 5% geniuses, we have students we call geniuses. I must tell you, 90 to 95% of students that have smashed JAMB, they always specify that they had an expert that guided them. If you're going to a road you've not been before, you will do better by going with someone that's passed through that road. And that's why we're coming at Success Online Class. because we coach you, prepare you to be an high achiever. Like I said earlier, we don't coach you to settle for less. Some people, many of you have friends that they apply for one course and they end up giving them another course that they don't like. We don't do that here. At Success Online Class, we coach you to get that course that you're applying for. So how do you do that? The mistake most 80% of students will make is to think that they can prepare on their own. I also made that mistake. My last JAMB was when I now actually went for what an extra class that coached me and prepared me, and I blasted my JAMB, my last JAMB, because I went for what? I went for an expert. I joined an expert group that helped me. If you're there and looking for an expert group that will coach you and prepare you for JAMB and push you to be an high achiever, you can message us. This is our WhatsApp number. So you can join our JAMB High Achievers group. You want to score 300 and above in the JAMB. You want to score 280 and above in JAMB. You want to get that course you're applying for: nursing, pharmacy, engineering, medicine and surgery. You want to get your desired course. You don't want them to change your course. You want to score very high in JAMB. Message this number. I'll call it just once: 081 824 24350. When you message us, please, your name, the course you're applying for, and your department. Your department, that's the course you're applying for, and the state you're messaging us from. Give us that information, and we're going to add you to our Super Achievers JAM group, where you meet fellow colleagues from different states that also want to smack JAM like you. Like the popular saying goes, iron sharpeneth iron. When you're in a community of students that also want to do the same thing you want to do, you keep pushing each other. Every day we drop JAM updates there. We drop tough questions there. We coach and prepare you together, and watch your result next year, and you'll be very, very amazed. I hope I've given you some key points that can help you smash your JAM. Now, if you're looking for more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channels. Just hit the subscribe button below so you can have access to more knowledgeable videos like this about your JAM. From now till your JAM exam, will be dropping several videos that can prepare you, coach, and help you become a JAM success. So don't forget to subscribe and also send us that message so you can join our High Achievers group. I hope you've learned something today. Thank you very much. My name still remains Mr. Success. See you in the next video.